So good morning students. So we are with question number 3, Roman number 2, where the lattice rectum is given 5 and eccentricity value is 2 by 3. So eccentricity value 2 by 3 is 0.6 something else, which means it is less than 1. So this is a ellipse. Eccentricity belongs to ellipse. So now what's given here it is, they have given, you know what's a lattice rectum? Lattice rectum is 2b square by a, which is given is equivalent to 5, and eccentricity value is given 2 by 3. So now, looking at this lattice rectum and looking at this eccentricity, you won't be able to know whether this one is a horizontal or whether this one is a vertical. This case, whichever equation you like, you can take, because whether it's a horizontal or vertical, both of them has a lattice rectum, both of them has a eccentricity. So therefore, we don't know which type of ellipse is that. Is it horizontal or vertical? We don't know. So therefore, let me first take the equation. Let the required equation be, I will take horizontal, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equivalent to 1. So say this is equation number 1. So now in order to find the equation of the ellipse, always try to calculate the value of a square and b square from given condition. So given condition here it is, they have given lattice rectum which is 2b square by a. Yes or no? Lattice rectum is 2b square by a, which is equivalent to 5, and then they have given eccentricity value 2 by 3. Let me simplify this. I can write this one as a 2b square is equivalent to 5a, or I can write this one as a b square is equivalent to 5 by 2a. So now we have one equation where b square is equivalent to a square of 1 minus e square. Do you remember this equation? Let's make use of this equation. Our job is to find a square and b square. After getting a square, b square, substitute here, you will get the equation of the ellipse. So, b square value is given 5 by 2a is equivalent to a square times 1 minus e square. E value is 2 by 3, so e square becomes 4 over 9. Okay, now we'll simplify. Please do this LCM. We have here 5 by 2a is equivalent to 9 minus 4 is 5 by 9 a square. Okay, so this 5 and this 5 will get cancelled. We have, bring this one here, 9 by 2a, okay, is equivalent to a square. Or you can write this one as a square minus 9 by 2a is equivalent to 0, which implies, from here I will take a common outside. If I take a common outside, we have a minus 9 by 2 is equivalent to 0. That implies either a is equal to 0 or either a minus 9 by 2 is equal to 0. Interesting part here it is, can we have a equal to 0? Can we have a equal to 0? If a is equal to 0, then vertex will reach at the center of the ellipse. You cannot have a value 0. You cannot have semi-lattice rectum is equivalent to 0. Then where you will get ellipse? You will not get ellipse. So a value should not be equal to 0. You cannot have a0 then imagine what type of ellipse will be that. Vertex will come at the center. You cannot have this kind of ellipse. So a value should not be equal to 0. But a value we can take here it is, take minus 9 by 2 that side, it becomes positive 9 by 2. Or you can write a square is, 9 square is 81 divided by 4. We have a square value now. Make sure you put inside the box every time. We have a square. Now we are going to calculate the b square by substituting here. So please substitute now. So b square we have here it is 5 by 2a, that is equivalent to 5 by 2 times, what's the a value? 9 by 2. 9 by 2. What's the b square value now? What's the b square? B square we have here it is equivalent to 45 divided by 4. This is a b square value, and that one we have is a square value. At last substitute here. So therefore finally equation of the ellipse will be x squared by what's a square? 81 by 4 plus, or you write this one, you know this 4 will come up, 81 by 4 plus y squared by b square value, 45 divided by 4 is equivalent to 1. Is that okay? So now we will find the LCM. So what's the LCM of 45 and 81? Okay, so 81 and 45. Let me go with 9. 9 nines are 81, 9 fives are 45, 9 and 5. 9 and 81, so 81 into 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 8 are 40, 405. So 405 is LCM. That implies 4x square plus 4, oh no. So what's the LCM we have? 405. So 405 divided by 81 is equivalent to, is it 9? No. Is it 5? 5 is 5, yeah, it is 5. 5 was the 20x square. Then 9 5 are 45, 9 4 36, 49. 9 4 36 y square is equivalent to 1. So finally we have here 20x square plus 36y square is equivalent to 405. Required equation of the ellipse. Thank you. So then in next question we will do Roman number 3.